Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening. As you can hear, Ngise Bavini, I'm in the water. This is the water. Yes, Swiss. Yes, Swiss. I don't want to lie to you. And yeah, I mean, something that happened. Here, Magudumane. Magudumane and Utabo. Fanagabi. Shuti bebese court. Allegedly, Mabe Shobati, it has been months. I don't follow these stories, Mina. I don't want to lie to you. Now you can follow at your own risk. Yeah. Bebese court. Yowel. Ha. It was as if Baguma Awards. Noma basesikolweni sengane yabo iya-actor or yenza nama-activities wengane or yabona yho bebelavidavi nje yazi ngize ngiyayibuza ngithi mina kanti court kuyenziwani nakanje angaze ke ngiye court angaze nje ngiye court. I've never been to court. This was the eye opener though when I saw it. Excuse me. You know, these people were happy. And when you are in court, aren't you supposed to be sad, to look ugly, to show remorse? Unless these people, they know exactly what they are doing. They're just pushing time, and then at the end of the day, this case is just going to be dropped just like that. That's why, because you can clearly see with these people, they just don't give a F. There were people who were allegedly killed, burned, kidnapped. Even allegedly, Magudumane her life was also threatened by Ube. But the way they acting, it's like, my question is, the families of the victims, how do they feel after seeing all this? Then I would be furious. Lapo, the sad thing is that you are furious for nothing. But do you see why people end up taking the law into their own hands? I'm not promoting that. But do you see why? Do you see why these people you'd swear they came from home to court? Can allegedly they're in jail or prison. But even the way they're dressed, the way they look, and allegedly, this guy has a lot of money. He has a lot of money. Like, because Tina esanayo leyo mali wafethu into bangasibopha yona sisathi uthi noma uveze izinyo kanje lapho you're not even smiling but you know 50,000 years next. All into zana bayajola ngathi bakudate yengina. I don't want to lie to you. I was like, yo, these people, they just do not even care. They don't. Hey guys, but love is no age. Right, Larry?